Okay. Now, so we agreed that the present continuous is talking about now. Then we said there is an exceptional case for the present continuous. What's that exceptional case that we studied, or actually we took before? Is that I can do something here, like let's change the sentence, and instead of saying now, let's remove this, you understand now? So I'm not going to say now, I will say tomorrow. So I'm teaching tomorrow at 8 p.m. I'm teaching tomorrow at 8 p.m. What's this? Okay. So here, this is future. What is the future? Oh, so we need to talk about the future first. Now for the future, we have future that we talked about before. It's the future simple. Now let's understand what is the future before talking about it. Future simple has two forms, or actually three, but we will study two. I will teach tomorrow, and I'm going to teach tomorrow. I will teach tomorrow, and I'm going to teach tomorrow. These are two sentences. We have them here in the future simple. I will teach tomorrow, and I'm going to teach tomorrow. What's this? Yeah, these are two sentences with two different meanings. Two different meanings? How? Both of them are about teaching, so I will teach tomorrow. Yeah, but there is a small difference. Here, when I say the first sentence here, I will teach tomorrow, so this is actually a maybe. What is the maybe? Yes, here in this sentence it's like this, so I can say about it like this. I say that I took that decision, but it's still a maybe. I took the decision, but still a maybe. What's the meaning here? Yes, that means I will teach tomorrow. As I told you, I took the decision, I will teach tomorrow. But still a maybe. Maybe yes and maybe no will happen in the future. Maybe something will happen. Meaning, a plan like this, like I took the decision for it, I will do it tomorrow. Like doing that. I will go shopping tomorrow. I will go shopping tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow and I feel like, no, I don't want to go shopping. So it's still a maybe. It's not for sure. Now, if we're talking about the second sentence, that's a different case. This sentence is a plan. So here it's a plan. What do I mean by a plan? Right? Like this. I took the decision. I prepared myself, and for sure I will teach. I prepared myself, I prepared my lesson, I prepared the place I will stay in, and I will teach tomorrow. For example, let's give another example on this. I'm going to travel tomorrow at 8. I'll travel tomorrow at 8. What's the meaning? Yes, that I have my tickets. So first, I have my tickets. I have the luggage. My bags, the luggage. And I'm sure we'll travel tomorrow. Right? So the difference here between future simple, I have I will, it's a maybe, I'm going to, it's for sure. Now if we're talking about the exceptional case here, this is the exceptional case of this present continuous. When I mention the time of tomorrow or the future, that means it's going to happen in the, I just put now. How? Like I said, I'm going to travel tomorrow at 8. I say it like this. I'm not going to travel tomorrow at 8. Or I say, I will not. And will not here is like this. Will not, okay? Will not will become won't. Travel tomorrow at 8. So here that we know that will plus not equals 1. Will plus not equals 1. So I won't travel tomorrow at 8. So just to make it negative, I put not. Very nice. Now also we can see here that with this tense I have verb to be. And verb to be is used in yes or no question. So it's like this. Are you traveling tomorrow? Are you traveling tomorrow? So you'll say yes, I am. No, not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are you eating now? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. And as we agreed before that yes, I am, I separate it. I say I am, not I say I am. So yes, I am. No, not. Okay. So this is to talk about the negative. Now let's have this exercise. Let's try to understand more about that thing. Let's try to understand how to use it. And what's the difference between each and each. Let's go. Present continuous, present progressive. Now, let's go for the first question. Which sentence is correct? I'm going to a festival this weekend. I go into a festival this weekend. I'll go to a festival this weekend. Which sentence or sentences are correct? Okay. So, here. So let's go for the first one. The first one is correct. So the first one is correct. Okay, how about the second one? The second one, I go into. I go into. This is not correct. Why? Because here, if we try to talk here, in here, that's a mistake. Why? We said verb plus ing does not come alone. I have to have verb to be. Do I have verb to be? No. Now let's go here. I will go to a festival this weekend. Is this correct? Yes, it is correct. So we have two sentences. Okay? Let's go. Next question. Which word completes the sentence? She, empty space, coming to the party tomorrow. Or coming to the party. Now we have ing. For ing, I need verb to be. So that means this one is not correct. So I have here is not or not. Okay, she is or she are? She is. That means it is not correct. So when I go, Okay? Let's go here. Which question is correct? Which question is correct? What are you doing tomorrow evening? What you are doing tomorrow evening or night? Where are you going tomorrow night? Which question is correct? So let's think. What are you doing tomorrow evening? What are you doing tomorrow evening? That's correct. Let's go down here. Where you going tomorrow night? We have here ing, and we said ing needs verb to be. Do we have verb to be? No. Okay, so this is not correct. Now, what are you doing tomorrow evening? Or what you are tomorrow, I'm so sorry. What are you doing tomorrow evening and what you are doing tomorrow evening? Now we said that in here, in the answer here, verb, then stick on this example. The verb here, the helping verb, the verb, then the place of time. And here we have the pronoun. So that's for the answer. So here in the answer I have, yes, the pronoun, the helping verb, the verb, and tomorrow. In the answer. Is this correct? Oh, no, that's not correct. Because this is what, yes, this is a question. So in the question I put the verb before the pronoun. So here, so if we talk about this, so yes, this one is correct. Now let's go. Which sentence does not use the present continuous in a correct way? So we said the present continuous is talking about now. Very nice. So let's see. James is arriving at noon tomorrow. Oh, can I use it for the future? Yes, correct. Tim is working at the moment. At the moment, that means now. So I get this one is correct and this one is correct. Now, what are you? We are taking the bus to school every day. Ooh, every day. That's what? A habit. And for the habit, I use what? Present simple. And this is what? Present continuous. So this one is the wrong one. So this one is the mistaken one. Because here he said, which sentence does not the mistake. Okay? Let's continue. Which words complete the question correctly? What time? Okay, empty space coming. Now, she is coming. She is. And this is a question, so it's supposed to be if she. So this one is wrong. You are. And this is a question. Are you? This one is wrong. So yes. What time is he coming? Go next. We empty space to Scotland this weekend. We empty space Scotland this weekend. What's that? Think. We empty space? Yes. We is or are? Are. We are. So this one is wrong. Now we have two are. Are plus ing and are plus go. Are is what? Verb to be. After verb to be comes what? Ing. That means this one is wrong. So we are going. Continue. Louis. So Louis empty space until 6 o'clock this evening. Is arriving, are arriving, isn't arriving. So Louis, he or she or it, he and he is or he are, he is. That means this one is wrong. Now let's understand the sentence. until 6. That means if we're trying to write it on the timeline, now this is now this is my party in the evening party. Evening party. And this is Louise arriving. So Louise arriving. Now, so let's put times. Here now it's 4. The party is at 5, and this is 6. So with the time I say at, as we agreed before. With time I say at. Now we have a word, it's called until. So until, like I will study from 4 until 5. From 4 until 5. So here he is arriving until 6. He is arriving until 6. What's this? Let's try to think about it. Understand? He is arriving until 6 does not mean anything. He is arriving until 6. He is not arriving until 6. Meaning, like, this is the party, this is where he should arrive. But he's not arriving until 6. So, C is the correct. Go for next. Where empty space Christmas this year? Where empty space Christmas this year? So where? Where what? Yes. So let's first, you are spending. Oh, that's wrong. Why is it wrong? Why is it wrong? Yes, because you are spending, that's a sentence, and this is what? A question. That's a question. So you are spending, that's wrong. Are you spending? Are you spend? Now, after verb to be comes, yeah, ing. So, this one is wrong. Are is verb to be, and it's spend. So this one is wrong. So it's, are you spending? Okay, let's go next. Now, why empty space to the party on Friday night? So I have to think. Now I have it, all of them, they have not. So let's remove the wrong one. You are not coming. You're not coming, sir. That's wrong, because that's a question, this is a sentence. Aren't you coming? Are you not coming? Now, there is a rule in English. I can't say you aren't or you aren't coming. You aren't coming or you are not Ahmed. That's a sentence, normally. Now, what's the question? Yeah, the question was like this. Am I Ahmed? Am I Ahmed? So you will tell me what? No, you're not Ahmed. Or I can say, no, you're not coming. You aren't coming. So the question was, am I coming? Am I coming? No, you're not coming. Okay, that's the normal way. How about if I want to put the negative in the question? So he puts here why. Why? So is this a yes or no question? No. Okay, so I use it like this. Why? Why aren't you coming to the party? Very nice. So the tool here of the question is why. So why are normally the helping verb. Then yes. So here the question is not about are, because if it was about are, so verb, then noun, then the helping verb, then whatever I continue the sentence. Again, like for example, I say, I am going to the school. I am going to the school. Now, let's go for this one. He's not asking with verb to be. So he's asking with WH question. So, yes. When I ask about WH questions, so why are you not coming? Why? Why did I do this? Yes, because here this is a not yes or no. So the tool of the question is not are. Meaning, now we agreed here that when the tool of the question here, it's are like is. Let's say, is he Ahmed? No, he not. Or he isn't. Or yes, he is. So we want the first part. Is he Ahmed? No, he isn't. Okay. Isn't he Ahmed? Isn't he Ahmed? What's this? This is not a question. This is what? Yes. It's like this. Now, I know that he is Ahmed. I know. But I'm not sure. So I say, isn't he Ahmed? Like this. But it's not like this. Is he Ahmed? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Isn't he Ahmed? That means I know him. Isn't he Ahmed? So that's a different usage. So when I use verb to be with the not, like isn't, aren't, I'm not, so that's for making sure you already know. What's the meaning? That means I know already that he is Ahmed. I know. but I'm making sure. Isn't he Ahmed? Yes. Like for example, when you meet, for example, an actor, you meet Adil Imam. So you say, aren't you Adil Imam? You see? Aren't you Adil Imam? I know him, but I'm making sure. Aren't you Adil Imam? Like when you see me, for example, aren't you Ahmed? Yes, I am Ahmed. So that's when I use verb to be negative. But here I cannot use verb to be negative. Why? Because here the tool of the question is verb to be. And the answer is going to be yes or no. But the tool of the question here is what? Is why. So in verb to be with the verb to be question is I change the verb to be with the thing. Now here no. I give it back. And I put not after the pronoun. So here when we talk about it, so, sorry, no. This one is wrong. Sorry. That's a mistake, sorry. Okay? So, not after the pronoun. So I do what? This is the correct one. Why are you not coming to the party on Friday night? Why are you not coming to the party Friday night? Okay? So, go for the last one. We, empty space, anything special tomorrow night. We, empty space, anything special tomorrow night. We not are doing, we are not doing, we are not do. Now, is this question or a sentence? That's a sentence. So it's not a question. So we not are doing, that's wrong. Not come before are. Aren't doing or aren't do. Now we have are is verb to be. After verb to be comes ing. So we aren't doing anything special. So we aren't doing anything special. So today we talked about, we revised the present continuous. Also we revised some things from other sessions, that when we talked about the chores and we talked about the houses and everything with Mr. Amir. Okay? So let's watch a video about chores. That one was with Mr. Amir. Then we finish our session so we can finish all the revision about that level before our exam, inshallah. So